Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Lecture number 3, class 6, topic evolution of computers exercise, presented by Hirarshad. Exercise: answer the following question. What is an abacus? How does it work? An abacus is a calculating device made of wooden frame. The wooden frame has rods fitted in it which have beads in them. The frame is divided into two parts, the heaven and the earth. Each rod has two beads in the heaven and 5 in the earth. You can say two sections. The larger section which contained 5 beads was the earth, and the smaller section which contained 2 beads was the heaven. Calculations are done by shifting these beads to and away from the middle bar. Question number 2. Who invented the slide rule? On which concept was it based? The slide rule was invented by Mr. William Outred. It was based on the concept of logarithm. Question number 3. Name the machine said to be a forerunner of all subsequent calculating devices and describe its working. The machine that is said to be the forerunner of all subsequent calculating devices is the Pascaline. The machine had 8 wheels which were marked from 1 to 9. Each wheel represented a particular decimal column. The wheels were connected in such a way that when one wheel completed a rotation, the wheel next to it would automatically move one digit forward. This machine could perform addition and subtraction by moving the wheels clockwise and anti-clockwise. Question number 4. Who is said to be the father of computer? Charles Babbage is known as the father of computer. Question number 5. List the different units of the analytical engine which was developed by Charles Babbage. Charles Babbage has developed two types of machines. Number 1, analytical engine, and number 2, difference engine. The analytical engine has 4 units: mill, store, system of gears and levers, input and output units. This was the first computer which used programming language, and you can say that it works like nowadays computer. Therefore, Charles Babbage is said to father of computer. Question number 6. What do you understand by computer generation? The generation of computer are determined by a major technological development which made the computers better, cheaper and more user friendly. Define the second generation of computer with examples. How did it differ from first generation? Second generation computer were invented during 1956 to 1964. These computers were better than the computer of first generation in many ways. Such you can say that these computers were smaller in size, faster than first generation, vacuum tube were replaced with transistor, less expensive and consumed less electricity, storage of data on these computers was done on magnetic cores. Example of IBM 1401 and Atlas. Write a short note on 5th generation computer. 5th generation of computer is the name given to all computers which are being designed and developed at present and will be used in the future. You can say that now and beyond. The computers of the 5th generation will have artificial intelligence and would be able to think and make decisions like human beings. They use artificial intelligence. These computers will also have more than one CPU and their processing speed will be very fast. Large scale integration. VLSI, very large scale integration. ENIAC, electronical numerical integrated and calculator. IBM International Business Machine, IC integrated circuit. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.